First United Methodist Church, built in 1911 in the English Gothic style. On the site of the former J.A. Steele Mansion stands First United Methodist Church. While the current building was established in 1911, the congregation was the first Methodist church established in the Mid-Ohio Valley, founded, as the cornerstone states, in 1790. This is the fifth church building the congregation has built and worshiped in. The congregation's previous church building was a beautiful Victorian Gothic building near the corner of 5th and Juliana Streets, which was damaged by the nitroglycerin barge explosion of 1895 on the Ohio River. Architect George W. Kramer of New York designed this English Gothic building of rough surface limestone. Groundbreaking ceremonies for the new church took place on August 29, 1909, and construction was completed in 1911. The new church was believed to have the largest auditorium in the state at the time. Said to seat 850 people. The total cost of the church construction was tabulated at $89,078.86. The stained glass windows were produced by the Rosebach Art Glass Company of Columbus, Ohio. These include the Resurrection window facing Juliana Street, the north window depicting the announcement of the birth of Christ to the shepherds, and the south window depicting the Nativity. 10 additional windows depict various Christian symbols. In the early 1960s, serious damage occurred to the roof above the organ. Extensive interior renovations were undertaken, including a new choir loft, pulpit, altar, and communion railing. The first service in the renovated building took place on Easter Sunday, 1964. At the time of printing, this building has been in use by the congregation for 112 years. The church congregation will celebrate its 225th anniversary in June of 2024. The congregation continues to endeavor of Methodism founders John and Charles Wesley to bring Christ's message of forgiveness, peace, and hope to all people, not only to those within the church.